A spring bobs left and right from an equilibrium position with periodic time of 6.28 seconds and a maximum displacement of 20 centimeters, and it starts from equilibrium. Okay, so we have here, there's the endpoints, there's the center, this is 20 centimeters, this is 20 centimeters, it starts here. And it has a periodic time of 6.28 seconds. How far from equilibrium will the end of the spring be when its speed is 12 centimeters? Okay, so it starts moving quite fast to the right and then slows down and stops and then falls back. And we want to know when will V equal 0.12 meters per second. So this one is the sine one. So the V is the cos and the acceleration is minus sine. So that is equal to A omega cos omega t. So 0.12 equals A 2 pi over t cos 2 pi over t. So it's going to be, I deliberately picked 6.28 because I wanted to make these cancel. So we end up with 0.12 equals, if you prefer I could make it even more exact, 6.2830 seconds. Okay, anyways, 0.12 equals A, which we actually know, which is 0.20. That's a 1. That's a cos, that's a 1, and that's a t. So 0.12 over 0.20 is cos t. So the time is cos inverse that, so that's 0.9273 seconds. Uh, 0.9273 seconds. After how long would it take to be at that position? Okay. Oh, and this is an example of where I actually did the B part first because it's a little bit easier. Now the A part is to get the X. So the X would be A sine omega t, which will be 0.16 meters. Okay. Now there is another way to do this. You have your other formula you can use. You can say that V equals omega root a squared minus x squared. So you have 0.12 equals 2 pi over t, 0.20 squared minus x squared. So we should get the same answer here. That is 6.28, so that and that cancels. If I square both sides, I get this. So then x should be the square root of 0.12 squared minus 0.20 squared. No, I got the wrong way around, don't I? X should be the square root of 0.20 squared minus 0.12 squared. And square root the answer. And you see we get the same answer. So we can use either formula here, and in both cases we get 16 centimeters.